Hello, students, and welcome back to Argument Writing. Now, the question on everyone's mind is, what are we writing about? Your assignment is to write about the recent pandemic that you are living through. You are going to begin by creating a Google Doc and formatting that Google Doc in MLA 8th edition format. And I have made you a video right here that walks you through that. You're going to read the attached articles, and then you're going to answer the essay question in a 6-paragraph essay with a works cited page. Source number 1, read the article, "Does closing schools slow the spread of coronavirus? Past outbreaks provides clues." Then you are going to read source number 2. "I'm going to keep pushing. Anthony Fauci tries to make the White House listen to facts of the pandemic." Then you are going to listen to source number 3. You simply click on this link. Excuse me, you have to read this one. Sorry. The next one is the one you listen to. Read why outbreaks like coronavirus spread exponentially and how to flatten the curve. I would like you to read the article as well as take a look at the diagram here and notice how quickly a virus like corona can spread over time. And understand that our goal is to flatten this curve by staying at home and not having school. Here is another one. Continue to read and watch the simulations, as they're very interesting. This is with no regulation, attempted quarantine, moderate distancing, and extensive distancing. Look at what we can do if we stay away from one another, out of school, out of Walmart, out of Kroger, out of Lowe's. Then source 4 is an article, but if you click on source 4, then this is the one you can listen to. And you simply click the play button and you can listen to the 2 interviews, one of which is Kentucky Representative Thomas Massie, who has been in the news quite a lot over this pandemic. Source 5 is the Center for Civic Education, and there is a number of vocabulary words in this article that I would like you to read, be familiar with, and ideally try to use in your essay. The essay question is, are the measures taken by the federal and state governments, school closures, restaurant closures, shelter in place, healthy at home, etc., too strict and an invasion of our liberties? Or are our leaders doing everything in their power to flatten the curve and protect American lives. Essay instructions. Respond to the essay in 6 organized paragraphs using the outline provided for you on Google Classroom as well as in the videos I made for you. Create and prove a claim with 3 supporting ideas. Rebuke counterclaims fairly with cited evidence. Cite evidence from at least 3 of the sources above, including the Center for Civics Education. Include at least 3 of the categories of evidence. Cite sources on a works cited page. And share your doc with your teacher. Share your draft with kayla.stafford@rowan.kyschools.us. If you're in my 5th period class, also share with melanie.blair@rowan.kyschools.us. If you do not have internet access, then you picked up a packet at Rowan County Senior High School. After receiving feedback from your teacher, then you will revise and edit your essay to improve its effectiveness. The second draft is your final draft, and it will be the one scored for 140 summative assessment points. So you need to take this essay very seriously. Use the categories of evidence. Please use your own personal experience. Discuss the things that you have seen, your social observations. For example, every time I drive to school, the Walmart parking lot is full, so people are definitely at Walmart and Lowe's instead of healthy at home. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out and email me and ask me questions. I'm also going to invite you to a Zoom meeting tomorrow afternoon at noon where we can discuss the essay, the assignment, and the 6 paragraphs.